How do drones impact IHL in peacekeeping operations, PKO? Imagine a tool that can see over walls, monitor large areas instantly, and gather vital information without putting peacekeepers in danger. Drones are changing how peacekeeping missions work. They are unmanned aerial vehicles that can fly over conflict zones, providing real-time images and data. This makes it easier to watch ceasefires, spot armed groups, and protect civilians. Using drones for surveillance supports the principles of international humanitarian law by helping prevent violence and keeping non-combatants safe. But when armed drones are used to carry out targeted strikes, things get more complicated. International humanitarian law requires that all military actions distinguish between combatants and civilians. It also demands that any harm to civilians is proportional to the military gain. If these rules are broken, it can lead to unlawful attacks and civilian casualties. This is a serious concern because peacekeeping operations are meant to protect everyone, not cause harm. The remote operation of drones makes accountability harder. If a drone attack causes civilian harm, it's vital that states or peacekeeping forces investigate thoroughly. International humanitarian law insists that those responsible are held accountable for war crimes or grave breaches. This helps maintain trust and legitimacy in peacekeeping efforts. Another key point is respecting the sovereignty of the country where drones are used. Peacekeeping missions must have the consent of the host state. Using drones without permission could violate international law and harm diplomatic relations. Data collected by drones also raises questions about privacy and ownership. It's important to have clear rules on how this information is stored, shared, and protected to prevent misuse. In summary, drones can be a powerful tool in peacekeeping operations if used properly. They improve surveillance and civilian protection, but only if their use strictly follows international humanitarian law. This means ensuring lawful targeting, accountability, respecting sovereignty, and managing data responsibly. Balancing these factors is essential for integrating drones into peacekeeping missions in a way that upholds the core principles of international humanitarian law.